sun's nice back there. I'm probably really dark right here. But what is going on, guys? Want to wish everyone a happy new year and hope everyone has an awesome 2019. So today we're going to be checking out a 900 horsepower Mustang that they're actually building right now. It's twin turbo, so yeah, we're going to check that out later. Let's see him. Oh, okay. Gianni printed one of my pictures. Also, I'm having a really bad hair day. It's not like you guys care, but I'm looking pretty ugly today. So just put this on for now. So I took a roller of him and he printed it out and it looks so sick.
Not nice.
That's nice.
Very nice.
It's kind of like a glare right now, but it look. Wait, hold it up. Yeah, it looks sick. That's cool too. Mwah. Voila. I think I'm just gonna have to wear the hat for today. What? What are you breaking?
Like I brought food.
Plug. Plug. Plug walk. Okay, we were talking about this. Like Dunkin' Donuts. Who actually dunks their donuts in coffee though?
Maybe.
Like,
maybe they used to.
Like how, who, what? Maybe.
There's only one way to.
Like I know you put Oreos in milk, but I've never heard about donuts in coffee. I don't know. You guys do it? Let me know. All right, time to go look at this. Oh, I haven't really explained why we are here. There's a 900 horsepower Mustang, so you know, crowd killer with a lot of horsepower. Hello.
What up?
Someone been doing a burnouts or something there?
Yeah, the baby reveal.
Yeah. Oh. That's why. Cool.
Everything closes. We'll do it again.
All right. Wow.
Look how far off the whole
Shop looks so much bigger without like the shelves out and stuff. Haven't been here in a long time.
Yeah, you haven't.
Yeah. Need exhaust? Need some headers? So this is the Mustang, 900 horsepower. You eat ass? You eat ass? Yeah, he eats ass. Is that Billy's hood?
Yeah. That's the original one. You have an M3 one now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Jeez.
I've heard a lot.
So, that's like 2 the size of my hand. It's everything that's going into this Mustang here, so. Oh, that's an easy way to move a car.
Yeah, it's actually kind of fun to drift around the shop.
Oh no, where's Turbo?
Oh, there's a whole lot of nothing under there.
Really? Oh, really? They bought this BMW for $750.
Yeah.
Like, what? Look, it runs and everything.
Full running motor.
Fully running motor.
It got hit here, but you can tell there's no frame damage. Like, none of this got bent.
Yeah.
Just the headlight got pushed in, the bumper got crushed, the fender got crushed, but it came as a salvage title.
So you can't drive it on the street, so that's why they're making a drift car. Oh, is that your exhaust?
Yeah.
Why is your exhaust there?
Because I had to take it off to get the axles out.
Oh my god.
It sounds better on the wall.
Jeez, these are 325s. These are huge. Look at that.
Hey, put your hands off my rubber.
I like your rubber. I smack your rubber. Oh, nice and fresh. They're gonna be so shredded soon.
Yes, that's drive shaft.
Wait. Hold on. What does he have done here?
In the rear end, he's got solid motor mounts. He's got racing drag suspension. He's got the reinforced braces.
Jeez.
For the back, he's got DSS axles. I don't know if you can get in there and see them, or you can see them right there. And he's got the DSS aluminum one-piece drive shaft that goes all the way up. It actually says DSS on it right there. We don't know if he has a built trans or not because there's some marks on here that are kind of interesting. So this might be a built trans. That transmission actually looks really clean.
Yeah.
For being in Loxahatchee, Billy.
That's really clean.
I think that's a built transmission by the Sharpie marks located here, and here. Oh, and there.
Yeah, that's crazy. This guy got a lot of moves.
This is stock.
Yeah,
that's definitely
it's
stock color.
Rust. Crazy.
We got a little Roddy over here.
We came to the alley because sometimes there's like cool cars out here. There's a dyno in that shop right there, but there's always Porsches over here. Last time there was a white RWB. We didn't get to look at it, or like I didn't get to film it unfortunately, but they always have Porsches in here. Look at that, that's a Porsche on top of like a Porsche and a Porsche. That's a nice GT3. Look, he's fast. He has a tow hook. Wonder if it's a manual. Hold up. It is. Oh, this guy's a G. This guy definitely races. No question. Oh yeah, he definitely does. Look at his tires. They're slicks. It's a track car. Old Bimmer needs more loving. And that big turbo. Look at that big turbo. Is this open?
Oh, it is open. Okay.
I opened it. Oh.
Have a little like Jesus light shining down. That's what I was thinking. These guys over here at this freaking towel place get dust all over my car, dude. There you go.
1400 RX-7 runs. I don't know what year it is. What year? 81. Come claim your RX-7 for $1,400. $100 and it runs. Come claim it. Alright, we're gonna go get some drinks and stuff really quick because we're hungry and thirsty, but when I get back, Wing's gonna tell us what's done to that Mustang, and then hopefully the manifold and turbos are in, so it'll look pretty nice. So, yeah. Lane's gonna explain mostly everything that's done. He doesn't know like every detail like 100%, but he's gonna explain like mostly what's done and what's going into it.
So, we have a 2017 GT Mustang here, 5.0. The Coyote motor's in it. We got the twin turbo on 3 turbo kit that we're installing right now. There are quite a few slight modifications to this kit. Would not recommended for a driveway install. We have lifted this car up and down more times than this lift has gone up and down in a year. It's got a fully built drivetrain from what I know. I'm pretty sure he probably has an upgraded fuel system because he's got some money in this car. It's going to be capable of 850, probably 900 horsepower on like 12 pounds of boost because it's twin turbo. But yeah, it's going to be pretty bad.
Crazy. Yeah, it will be.
It's definitely a super exciting project.
Super sight.
And I like this blue.
This is the one you want to paint your bike?
Yeah. A couple people thought this was a wrap. I'm like,
I think it needs to be a little darker. It's different though.
It's not metallic though. It's like a flat.
grabber.
Yeah.
Grabber blue?
Grabber blue.
I'll grabber blue. Grabber gray. So far everything's going smooth. So
Don't jinx that.
Knock on,
I already jinxed it yesterday. I said it was gonna be a bastard yesterday.
Yeah, front wheel drive.
The Wheel of Fortune, ready?
How many miles does it have?
I don't know. The trunk, so.
That's the blue. Look, it's like, it looks darker way here and it looks lighter there. That's crazy.
Angles of light.
That is crazy. Yeah, so that's it about this Mustang. It's pretty sick. We just came by the shop to...
We're about to slap on multi-turbo in a couple minutes, so.
Are you though? So they're putting turbos on now.
No,
Got one in here. Doing the other one now.
this thing sounds so sick.
He's doing a live video.
Yeah, doing a little live feed here, trying to get some more people on. Some people are seeing a Mustang and leaving. It's okay, it's not crowd control, it doesn't move yet.
Yeah, so that's it for this Mustang. Get some videos of it possibly when it's done. So came to show you guys a little vlog action today. We're gonna, check it out. See you guys this Sunday at Cars and Coffee. Peace.